Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have the results to my jewelry bag, jar, whatever you want to call it. It did say craft bag. It was $24.99 with 10% state tax here in Tennessee. For the sake of time, I'm not going to show you over half of the bag. Some of it is just craft items, and there was a lot of modern costumes, so I'm just not going to show all of it. But I will show you some of what I got, and I'm going to see if I can make my money back. On these first costume items, if you're interested in anything and you want measurements, just email me and I can get those for you. We have a multi-strand, some cat eye, and acrylic beads, like a brass tone, and kind of pretty. Any of these in this grouping, let's say $5 if you're interested in any of these. I'm going to try to go quickly because there's still a huge pile right in front of me. We've got a little angel brooch. Recording on a different device, so I hope everything focuses and comes out clear. And it doesn't look like they are. There we go. Alright, and this one was marked Avon. Little flower. Silver tone. A lovely piece of glass. And it is artisan sign back there. This one is, I believe that's Erica Lyons. You can correct me in the comments down below if it is not right. It is gold tone and these peach, they're more peach colored, like peachy coral colored. Bobbly necklace. Here's another bobbly necklace. Gold tone with some acrylic. Statement necklace. I really like these glass beads though. I would almost cut this apart just to get those glass beads off. Then we have some pretty black glass. Another lobster called clasp. I think I have too much stuff up here. It doesn't know what to focus on. And they got these little rhinestones. Then it goes into a triple strand. That one's pretty. I was going to show this one, but it looks like the brass is coming through. That is some sort of a stone, though. Agate of some sort. We got another multi-row with some mother of pearl and seed beads, like earth tone colors. We have, I wish it would focus. There we go. Silver tone, pretty bluish green. Costume jewelry. I will tell you that in my opinion, this bag was nowhere near as good as my previous find. I think there's some wood, some type of lightweight metal. That one's really long. Got a tangle. I try to get all the tangles out so y'all wouldn't have to. Black seed beads and a big mother of pearl shell. There's the back of it. It's like dyed grayish, I believe. And then this one's kind of cool. It's got some faux pearls, and I like these mother of pearl beads here. That's another long one. It's not focusing for me. It's like blue and teal colored glass wide drop necklace. And this is multi-row also with some AB coated acrylic or some sort of plastic. Different shades of red. I'm sorry, I know I'm not doing the best job showing this right now. It's late. Y'all will probably see this tomorrow, but it is late here. This one is horsehair. Come on, focus. There we go. So it's got some sea beads, and this is like a choker length, and some braided horsehair. And okay, so all of those are $5. And let's see if I can find a piece of $5 ones. This one, I like this one. Beautiful colors of glass, really long layering piece. I like all the glass. We'll do that one for $5. How about this one for $5? Some more glass. Mother of pearl in glass. Some more glass. Some dyed stone. And I wish it would come across better. Don't exactly like the way I'm recording this, so we'll know for next time. So that one can be $5. Really wouldn't mind if all of these were $5. Actually, I think there's a couple of pieces. This is I know I'm going to pronounce this wrong. Tresca or Tresque, I don't know. And there's some pretty cool glass beads, some acrylic and ceramic, some more pretty glass, and then it comes down to this very large size pendant. It's like a lucite with some bobblies. Yeah, it's that one. And all right, let's do $8 on this section. And guess what? We're already almost done, guys. Lobster claw clasp. This one has some pretty cool glass beads on it, and I kind of like the charms. Somewhat. No, this isn't the one. There's one that has stars. It's not even in the frame. Good googly moogly. Alright, there's that one. There. And then we have this stone. I don't exactly like the way the clasp is wire wrapped together, but it's not loose or anything, and it is stone. That one is carved. Is this rhodonite, maybe? And I'm trying to lie down, see if that helps. Okay, there's that one. I do not know this maker mark, and I did not take the time to try to figure it out. If y'all know, then you know. Let me know. It feels good quality, almost similar to Brighton-ish. There are rhinestones in this that are not showing up. They're all there. That one's pretty. And then I think this might be one of my favorites in this. Beautiful blue glass. And first I thought it was missing a clasp, but there's a head pin in this one. So I think it's just meant to clasp however you want it to, or on whatever bead you want it to. That color's not showing up. Well, I don't know if it's the device or the operator. It's probably the operator. I'm a little bit tired tonight. There's a memory wire bracelet. It has a bunch of cool glass beads on it. Some of them are molded. Pretty cool. I like those beads. As I would, we got some rhinestones and enameled hinged bangle. And like this chain link design. That one has like no wear to it. Whoops, I dropped it in the floor. Hope that wasn't too loud. I really wish it would focus better. We got a brooch. It is more copper color in person. Set it down where y'all can see it and mess with the light again. This isn't a very exciting bag. There are a couple okay pieces that I'll save the best for last. I don't know if you can see that. And that's the back. We got some more gemstones. I think this one had a barrel clasp. Yep, barrel clasp. And there's that one. This one's kind of cute. It is cat and the mouse. They have little rhinestones. Fold over clasp. Cute. Okay, let's do $10 on these. There's only a couple of them. This guy is cool. I would take him off of this cord. This is a JJ Gargoyle. And I really like him. That one I was pretty happy with. This has one of those big spring rings and all these charms. And I got it backwards, of course. And there's a moon. This is the one I was confusing the other. This locket opens up. We got a bird, some hearts, stars, money symbol, key, bag of money. Yep, some fun little charms on that one. And then we got a faux coin charm bracelet with a life preserver clasp. And it's gold tone. It's in pretty good condition. I don't see any wear on it. That one. It's probably too loud me tossing those into different piles so I know how much they are. This is... There wasn't very many side pieces in this one either. Napier, patent pending. Pretty long chain. Let me see if I can get you to see. This is in excellent condition. And I did not look up what year that mark was used. But it has a fold over clasp and I don't know if you can see the design. It's really pretty. It doesn't have wear. Okay. And then let's do $12 on the J. Crew. How about it? It's not even close to the right colors. Maybe if I get closer. Nope. It's like all washed out. These are like neon pink. Nope. Still doesn't show. These are neon pink and like a periwinkle purple. I love these ones. And there's your clasp. So, not missing any rhinestones. And then there was only two pieces, well, three, I guess. 3 pieces of sterling. One was a teeny tiny little cross charm with a CZ in it. And oh, I don't know if it's gonna focus. Let's do $8 on that guy as well. Teeny tiny little thing, but it would be cute on a charm bracelet. And then, to be fair, I put this chain on the pendant, but there was a sterling vermeil chain that was wrapped around and tangled up in there. You can't see it. It's got some enamel leaves and a cross. Okay, I won't be recording with this anymore, I don't think. Cross, and then it has a D. And I think the reason they missed this is because it's signed sterling inside there. And there's some initials. I can't remember what it said. It looks like EL and the word sterling. And it's cute. And I put it on this chain. I will measure this one for you. It is about 19 inches. And we'll do $20 on this one. So hopefully I'll get my money back. It wasn't very exciting. I was a little bit disappointed, especially considering I got amber and turquoise and a lot more sterling than the other bag. But you can't win them all. And it was kind of fun to go through. So if you don't mind, hit the thumbs up button. Email me at anicolesweden@gmail.com. If anything sells from this, it'll be in the sold list at the bottom. And thank you for watching, everybody. Bye.